With this, you're almost there in redesigning your broken process, and you are ready to come out with an improved process flowchart or the to-be process map. Along with the process analysis results that you have got from the 4 lenses, customer interviews, process benchmarks, now you have a toolbox of 32 design principles that you can leverage all to redesign your future process. Now, let's put all what you have learned into practice. In this part of the air-cooled chiller designed to ship process, you need to create a clean sheet redesign that will be the basis of your future process. Here are a few hints that you can use in this exercise. First, you need to use your 4-lens process diagnosis results and use any benchmarks or best practices you could have gathered about the process. You need to leverage the 32 design principles as much as you can to guide your improvement ideas. Think of the design of the new process, how the activities and their flow will change, and what functions could be affected by the new design. Put that on paper and sketch the future process in the form of a functional activity flowchart. The future process will likely to cancel out some activities, add new ones, or change their sequence. For activities that remain in the new flowchart but have improvement to be performed on them, try to use the burst symbol for your reference to denote that although this activity is necessary, it needs some improvement. To have a reference of your improvement ideas along with the new design of the process map, reflect your ideas in an improvement log table and indicate the design principle you used in your improvement. This exercise is likely to take some time and effort from you, so do it at your own pace and refer to my version of the new process map and improvement log in the files attached to the course. Good luck!